Yo, what up everybody? So today I got a new package that I'm gonna be unboxing, and it's the TPOB shaver. Yeah man, let's see what it's all about. And yeah, let's check it out. So you see, you got my knife here. Gotta be careful. Oh, actually, oh what? Yeah man, I'm gonna just open this thing up. There you go. Man, so here we go. As you can see, we got the shaver here. Man, this thing it looks nice actually. Um, yeah, this is the TPOB shaver mini skull slime edition. Damn, it looks very nice actually, man. Contents: foil shaver, gold anti-allergy foils, protection cap, USB charger. Okay. Yeah man, let's unbox this thing. Man, it's gonna be a little tight. There you go. Yeah man, this is a very, I guess, a very appealing shaver because it's not too expensive. I just got it for like $38. Yeah, I got it off of Amazon. And yeah, first glance, man, the package looks real nice. You can see this here is very creative. I like the little slime here on the top. Yeah, let's open it up. Ooh. Damn. See, I like this packaging right here. Man, this thing is this thing is very small though. Like, wow. Man, as you can see, man, you can see it right there. TPOB. Man, this is very nice. So yeah, it's supposed to, I guess this is supposed to look just like the s.craft, the Uno, which actually I've never used it before either. But I mean, yeah, this is supposed to kind of have that same look to it. But yeah, man, this thing is very small. It's like a pocket size. There you go, you see that? It looks very dope though. Like, you could put it right there, like on a, on your station, and it'll grab a lot of attention for sure. You can see here. Look at the letters. It's like very holographic. Wow. You can see the shade right here. The shade foils. It's gold. Mini skull. Damn, yeah, man. TPOB. They made a real nice design. But yeah, let's check. I'll be reviewing it, see how it works. All right, let's give a sound test real quick. Wow, yeah, it got power. You can actually feel that power for a very small shaver. Yeah, man, I've seen reviews. It got nothing but good reviews. So I mean, this should be a good shaver for sure. TPOB. Yeah, can't stop looking at it, man. This thing looks nice. Shout out to, TPOB. If you don't know who he is, yeah, look him up. Very funny dude. And yeah, man. I didn't even know he was making he was making clippers and all that. But until I saw it, I'm like, man, I need to get me one of these for sure for the low price. Can't beat it, man. Yeah, man, this is it here. The TPOB. Take a look at it again. Yeah, I like this shaver. So I will be using it. Yeah, man. Hope you like this video, an unboxing. And again, I'll be back. Subscribe. Yeah, man, show love. I'm out.